Hunter Pence is packing up baseballs to take to a charity event that will raise money for the March of Dimes. Each baseball is packed in a cube measuring 4 inches on side. So the baseballs are in cubes. It helps if I use my pen. Are in cubes that are 4 inches on the side. He fills the biggest cube shake box he could find, which is 36 inches on all sides. So 36 inches. It's each signed baseball receives a $40 donation. How much money will Hunter raise? Okay, so basically here's the question. I got a cube with 4 inches squared, 4 inches cubed. And I got another one that's 36. And I'm going to be filling this big one with a whole bunch of these little ones. So, and how much will this cost? If all of these are $40, how much will all of these in there sell for? If I fill that up with this thing. So here's what we're going to do. First off, we need to find the volumes. The volume of that guy, well, that's 4 cubed, which is 64. The volume of that guy is 36 cubed, which is something huge. I don't know that one in my head. Sorry. I know I'm disappointing my class right now. 466, 56. 56. Cool. And if I want to know how many of these fit in there, well, I divide the big one by the little one to see how many fit. So 46656 divided by 64 equals, let's see here, 729. That's a lot. This doesn't feel right. Let me think about this for a second. Okay, I thought about it. It's right. So we can pack 729 baseballs. That's a lot of baseballs. However, is that your answer? No, they want to know how much money. Money. Well, if each of those is worth $40, well, 729 times 40. Not times 0, times 40. That is $2,560. Cool. All right, this rocket shown is completely filled with fuel. The height of the cone is 5 feet, so the height of the cone is 5 feet. That's your center height. The height of the cylinder is 12 feet with a diameter of 4. So the diameter is 4 feet. How many cubic feet of fuel can the rocket hold? All right, so we need to know the volume of the entire thing. Well, that's the volume of the cone plus the volume of the cylinder. Cool. So start plugging in your formulas. Volume of a cone is, I'm losing my mind. What is it? 1/3 base times height? Yeah, 1/3 area of the base times height. The volume of the cone, that's 1/3. The area of the base is a radius of 2. So it's pi r squared. So that's pi times 2 squared. Remember, 4 was a diameter. That's a diameter, so we have to turn it into a radius. Times the height. Height is 5. This guy. And you get 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 5 is 20, 20 divided by 3 is something, whatever. 20 divided by 3 is 6.666, repeated pi. Okay, let's do the volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is area of the base times height. All right, well, the area of the base is, again, the circle down here with a radius of 2. So that's pi r squared, pi times 2 squared, times the height of 12. Well, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 12 is 48, so that's 48 pi. So that is a grand total of 54.6 repeated pies. That's a lot of pi. That joke never gets old. You may disagree with me. All right. The figure shown below has half a the figure shown is the lower half of a steel spherical vessel. Okay, so this is the lower half of a big ball. The diameter is 170 meters, so diameter is 170 meters. How much steel is used to create the vessel? Disregard the supporting structures, so we don't have to talk about these guys. The supporting structures we don't care about. All right, so basically we want to know the surface area. We want to know how much was caused in the bowl, not how much it holds. So it's a hemisphere. Hemisphere is 2 pi r squared. That is the surface area of a hemisphere. Well, that's 2 pi. Half 170 is, I don't know, 85? No, 85 times 2. Yep, 85. So it's 85 squared. 85 squared times 2 equals 14,450. 14450 pi meters squared. That's a lot of meters. Cool. All right, last one. Trapezoids whose vertices are negative 2, 1, 3, 7, 7, 1, and negative 2, 7. Calculate the area. Okay. I don't really want we're still doing this, but that's okay. Negative 2, 1. Right there. 3, 7. 7, 7, 1. And negative 2, 7. Let's actually lose the line function. Put the lime in the coconut and drink it all up. You put the lime in the coconut, and Mr. Hunter's nuts, he's crazy. There we go. No, I'm just tired. Okay, so the area of a trapezoid equals base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times the height. All right, base 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squares. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares. We have people that still cannot count squares accurately. Divided by 2 times the height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 7 times 6 equals 42 whatever units squared. Cool? 42. That's the meaning of life. And all things in it.